cracking your back, the sound that you're hearing is actually a little popping of the joints, either in your neck or low back. And the short answer is it really is not causing any damage to your spine.
Typically, when a person is cracking their back, they're performing some type of stretching maneuver. And really, what that has been determined to be is pressure changes occurring in the joints. I don't think a person is necessarily working for or against themselves. I don't think they're doing any damage at all.